Hi friends, welcome to Experiment Surya YouTube channel. Friends, you are watching first time my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos and technical related videos. Please support my channel because I want to create more information on informative videos for you friends. Friends, let's go to the topic. Today's topic is how to download and install the Python programming language on Windows 10. Let's go to the video. First of all, go to Google and search here python.org. After clicking python.org, here will be shown welcome to Python.org. Please click once. Blue link. After clicking, you will get in this interface. You want to choose, here will be appear lot of information. Don't go to anywhere. You want to choose here download here download. We want to support number of platforms. I want to choose Windows Python 3.8.2. After clicking, you want to select your path of the download application. I want to choose desktop. After selecting, I have already downloaded for Python application. We want to directly set up the application. After downloading, you want to see in this type of setup file, just double click it. After double click, you want to display pop-up here, run command. After downloading the setup file, please run there. Here will be appear in this pop-up page. We want to choose customize installation, but have to check out add Python 3.7 to path. Must be check out the in this add to Python 3.7 and path customization. I want to customize installation. Choose. Want to select all the tick marks here. After selecting this tick marks, please select next. Want to here will be don't change path location. Here will be check out next, and here will be check out only 3 options here. Install. After clicking install, your library will be loaded your computer system. Please just wait for few seconds. Here will be Python will be loaded your Windows operating system. I will provide you Python setup file will be in description box. Please verify them and download it your where you want to in operating system. Having 3 types of setup files is there, Windows, Linux or Mac OS. I want to give in description box. Please check out once. After loading, your setup will be successful. Please verify your laptop. Just close it and close it. Close it. Want to see? Just click My Computers or Windows button. Here will be search idle. Here, see this friends, idle or Python. Want to choose Python. Here will be setup file will be there. You want to must be work with Python. Just check it once. After installation, we want to check here Python. See this friends, Python setup file will be there. Want to choose idle and here will be check out your program working or not. Python print hello world. See this friends, here will be printed here print hello world. After giving double quotes, please close parenthesis, enter it. Here will be appear your hello world. In this way to installing your Python program language in your laptop. In this video must be like and share your friends who must be subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos and technical related videos. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Okay, you want to see next video, you want to having any doubt, please comment below. Thank you, thanks for watching.